stuff. Thank you so much. Okay, Flanders, thank you for confirming that. Excellent. Great stuff. That's beautiful. Lovely, 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 lovely. Loud and clear, is it? It is loud and clear. It's summer here. It's very sunny here. And we get into a nice warm weather. So how about the weather where you are? Okay, let me know your weather. Is it sunny? Is it what type of weather do you have? Raining, sunshine, cold, wet. Yeah, right. Adekunle, Felix, Ali, Temi. Yes, thank you so much. Demi, thank you so much. Extreme Design. Extreme. Is that your first time here? Labo Gang, how are you? Jill Onum. Is this your first time, Jim? Very good, Felix. Thank you. You're moving up. Robert, thank you for coming today. Crypto Head, Crypto Dread, hello. And Tammy, good stuff. Okay, they can't change the sound. No way, no way. We've won the battle. The brokers, they've lost the battle. They try all they could, but unfortunately, you guys didn't let them. Because you keep coming, they thought maybe if you can't do it for 1 or 2 or 3 days, then no one will come. But you guys says, no, we are here. We are coming every time. So it is to your kudos. Ali, UAE, always sunny. Oh, I love UAE. Always sunny, huh? Good. You know, sometimes we go through winter, the horrible weather sometimes, but when the sun comes out, everybody's happy. Hello, Bulisho, long time. Where have you been? Ham, where have you been? I didn't see you yesterday. What's happening? Ajilore, how you doing? Extreme Design, good stuff. Good to see you all today. Any new person here? Let me see. I'll fish you out. Oh, Salifula Khan. Yes, I can see that name. I picture it out. I know you're new. Welcome on board. Saifula, good to see you here. Oh, from Sydney. Wow, Australia. What time are you now? You must be in the morning or or in the night or you are still sleepy. Oh, goodness me. Good to see you all today. Excellent. Bolisho, yes. Okay, I know. Right, so today you're going to learn from everybody here. So it's a team effort. Though I'm the captain, but we got a lot of other captains here, and we got some veterans here who have been here for a while. So relax, sit tight. You know, you're gonna enjoy the journey, enjoy the ride. Okay, excellent. Yes, Ham Canada. Yes, Ham from Canada. Welcome. Lebuhang. Yes, your first time. Okay, good. Right, are you on the channel? On the Telegram? Who is still not on Telegram yet? Let me know if you need the link to Telegram, because the Telegram is very hot now. Very hot. Lots of charts, a lot of different examples going on. So you're going to learn a lot. So pop into Telegram channel or the Telegram group and make your contribution there. Excellent. Good stuff. Who is here? Right. So where are we off from today? Let's go around. Quick. Where are you from? UAE, Dubai, Canada, US. Show your country. Show me your country. Oh, you're a little bit busy. Okay, that's all right. It's good to be busy. You know, busy means that you get something to do. Like, excellent. I love that. Okay, you need the link. Okay, I'll get you the link. Okay, so if you have not joined Telegram, I can tell you you are missing out already. You are missing out. So your best bet, once I send you this link, your best bet is to get on it quick, as fast as you can. Get on it. Okay, so Florida. Crypto. How is Florida now? What's the weather in Florida? Is it cold? Okay, Felix, UK. Ali is from UAE. Okay, Y2K, Nigeria. Robert from Canada. Adekunle is from Nigeria. Bolisho. Yeah, great stuff. I'm happy all of you are here today. So, shall we declare the floor open now? Shall we get on with it? Shall we open the shop? Okay. Without further ado, I am declaring the shop open now. Good. Crypto, yes, in Florida. Okay. Oh, rainy weather. Gee. Wow. So you guys can't go to the beach at this time, huh? Okay. Snowman from SA, South Africa. Where in South Africa? Is it Pretoria? Is it Randburg? Is it Johannesburg? Is it Bloemfontein? Is it Cape Town? Where about there? Let the shop open. All right. Somebody say let the shop open. So we open the shop. All right. Good stuff. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's open the shop today with who is on the line? USD Swiss francs. Okay. Malaysia. Good to see you. Malaysia, good to see you. Okay, so let's open the shop today. I'm from Barbados. Oh, what a nice island. Barbados. Okay, so we open the shop today with USD Swiss francs. Okay, so we are opening with USD Swiss francs. And the story of USD Swiss francs today is that, oh, you need the link. Okay, there you go. That's the link. It's already on my clipboard, so I just paste it. All right, so the story of USD Swiss francs today is that we broke out of the range. So we have this box as our range. We broke out of the range and we head north. Okay, we head north and we make a lot of headway to the north, and we had some pushback, but we haven't able to push back to our resistance level. So you remember that this line sometimes will serve as your resistance level. So, your support level. So you aren't able to get to your support level here yet. Okay. So now let's see what we did with this box. Okay. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the test is coming your way. Okay, so let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. Okay, so now we need to make sure this doesn't go back. All right, it's stable now. It doesn't go back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at this chart for me. Okay, so we are looking for our what? We're looking for our breakout candle or our trigger candle. Okay, so I'm going to start with this candle here. Okay, it's my candle number 1. Actually, let me make it bigger once more. Okay, let me make it bigger. Yeah, this is much better, isn't it? It's much better like this. Okay, actually, let's call this number 1. Let's start from here. This is number 1 because it's actually touching the line a little bit. This is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, which is the trigger candle Fingers on the buzzer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at it carefully. Number 1 is that small candle here. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, yes. Y2K, you say number 3 or you change to number 4. Okay. Anyone else? So if you are new, don't worry about it. We'll explain what it means. Okay, just relax. Enjoy the ride. You can see some numbers coming up. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Well, it looks like they are professors, right? They are luminaries, educated elites, forex elites. So don't worry, you are going to join the elites very soon. Okay, so Y2K 4, Robert 4, Felix 4, Crypto 4, all Abdinazar. Ali Abdinazar, is that your first time? Ntemi 4, Bulisho 4, Lebohang 4, Jotsi 3. Okay. 4 is confirmed. Robert 4. Die Hard 4. Jill 4. Coles. Why everybody saying 4? Does that give you any clue? Does that mean that I have to agree with you? What happens if I disagree with you? That is not 4. Do I have the right to disagree? What's going to happen? Where's the professor who's going to say, nah, you must not disagree, right? Yeah? Okay, yeah, Ali. Yeah, we were welcome, Ali. So relax, Ali. We're going to make it fast initially, and later on we slow down. Shekela, it's your first time, Shekela. It's your first time, right? And are you from South Africa? I'm joking. Ali, it's your second. Okay. Welcome again. So we want to see you every time. So you don't want to miss out. Make sure you don't miss a session. Yesterday was a fabulous session. Everybody knows that yesterday. It was one of the best days for this strategy. So it was very good to attend it. So Adio, good for 40000. You see? What if you are wrong with your 00 at the back? Takalani. Yes. Good. You will disagree. Okay. You will disagree to agree or agree to disagree. That's fine. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is my answer. Okay, here is my answer. If you tell me your number is number 1, I'm afraid, or I will suggest, I will point to you that, sorry, my friend, you're wrong. Right? So, if you tell me it's number 2, I'll think about it, but I will just tell you straightforward. I say, look, my friend, that's wrong. And why is it wrong? Because they are both touching the lines. Okay? If you say your answer is number 3, I can forgive you. Right? Actually, I can pardon you because that number 3 seems to be not sure whether it's touching or not touching. Okay? But I know some eagle eyes. I know we have few eagle eyes here. I've met some of them, eagle eyes. They know how to pinpoint exact location of that candle. All right, so this is actually touching. If you look at it, it's touching the line. Okay, so this candle here, which is candle number 4, is our answer. So congratulations for everyone that got it right. Okay, look at what is going to happen here now. Now this is our trigger candle. I will take a buy trade at the close of that trigger candle. Okay. Now we have an issue. Okay. Who can identify the issue we have now with this setup? Okay. Who can identify the issue we have with this setup? There's a bit of issue there because our stop loss is going to be this lower line here. And look at our profit target, which is the size of this box. Ladies and gentlemen, look at where we are going to enter the trade. It looks to me, from looking at it, your stop loss, which is from here to the end here, is nearly twice or more than twice your take profit target. Your take profit target here is 23 pips. Your 23 pips is your stop loss. And let's measure the size of the box, which is your TP1. TP1 is only 10 pips. So you want to take 10 pips to make 20. You want to take use 23 pips stop loss to make 10 pips gain. Well, it's possible you make the move. It's just for you to be aware that the risk reward ratio is not fantastic on this particular trade. Okay, let's see how it plans out. Okay, so you went in from here and you are looking for 10 pips. 10 pips is your take profit. So if you are new, if you enter a trade, your stop loss is the lower line if you buy, and your take profit target is the size of this box. We have just measured it to be 10 pips. So your first target in terms of profit, TP1, is going to be 10 pips. Your first target is 10 pips, and your second target is 20 pips. That's TP2, which is twice the size of the box, and third target and fourth target, on and on. Okay, so let's measure what we have. Here to the total of, it doesn't look like it's going to reach 41 pips, and it does reach 41 pips. Wow. So 41 pips, it means TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. That's good. That is good if you are able to make that move, if you are able to milk every bit of it. So even if you get TP1 and TP2, that's fantastic. Okay. Yeah, stop loss is too big. Yes, that's it. That's it. Stop loss is too big. So let's see what happened after that. So after we make our TP1 and TP2, TP3, TP4, nothing else happened. It's just going everywhere. So there is no signal for re-entry here. Ladies and gentlemen, the only time you can re-enter using this strategy is if this price come down, break this resistance line a little bit and go inside the box, then come out of the box again. That is another signal for you. Okay. Should we add in the spread? Yes, take account of the spread, of course. Take account of the spread. Little things like that, you take account of the spread as well. Okay, good stuff. All right, so that is the story of USD chef, Swiss francs. Now let's look at the next one. Anybody want to see anything else? Okay, no, let me explain this to the newcomer first. Okay, so if you are new, this is your chance here to listen. Okay, let's see what we get from this one here. Okay, now, so for newcomer, I'm going to slow down a little bit now. Okay, just to make sure you understand the principle. Okay, so the principle behind this strategy is that, let me make sure that my box is correct. My box is correct. Okay, it's correct. Okay, so it's 9 to 10. Okay, so the principle here is that we want to trade the first hour. We want to mark the first hour of European session, which is 7 to 8 GMT. In order to do that, you can do it manually, or you can get an indicator to do it for you. So we get an indicator which is called sessions.mq4. So that's what you are looking at. So I'm going to open it up now. I'm going to show you. So you got session MQ4. Right. So we don't want to know about Asian session. So we put the color as nothing. We want to know about Europe session, which is 9 to 10. I told you 7 to 8 GMT. but IC market, which I use, is 2 hours ahead. So you add 2 hours to 7, it gives you 9. You add 2 hours to 8, it gives you 10. So we're using a purple color for that. And then for the US session, we don't want to see US session. You set the color to nothing. And that's why you only see the purple color on the screen. Okay? All right. So that's about the indicator. So he has done the first hour for us. Now, after that, once your box is complete, you are now going to wait for your trigger candle. So how do we get the trigger candle? You watch until you see the first candle that comes outside of the box, and do not touch the box. Do not touch the line. Okay, so when you see this, all these candles, they are still inside the box. The first candle that popped its head out is this one, but part of it is still inside. The next candle is this one, part of it is still inside. The next candle is this one, part of it is still inside. The next candle is totally inside. The next one, half of it is inside. The next one, part of it is inside. The next one, part of it is inside. And until we get to this guy here. This candle here is completely break free. It has gotten its freedom from the box. It's totally free, right? So that is why we call him our candle. That's our trigger candle. So that's where we go long. Okay? So we go long here from this line here. On the close of that candle, we buy. Okay? So when we have a breakout above the line, we buy. When we have a breakout below the line, we sell. So we had a breakout here, and this is our trigger candle, and this is where we buy from. Your stop loss is this line here. Just here is your stop loss. You can add 1 or 2 pips, just as you will do with a spread. So account for things like that, because spread differ from broker to broker, so you can't tell what the spread will be. So now you put your stop loss here. You can see the risk reward ratio on this trade is better than the previous one. Okay, so now we know that our TP1 will be the size of this box. So let's get measuring it. Okay, when we go measure this box, it shall give us 13.5 pips. 13.5 pips. We can call it 13 or 14 pips. Doesn't really matter much. All right, so let's see if we get that 13 pips or 14 pips from here. We did get it quite comfortably. There's 23 pips. That's 23 pips, 24 pips. So we did get the our TP of 14 pips comfortably. Okay. Now let's see another story. Okay, so we make TP1 here. Our price came down. It hit the support. It hit support level. It wanted to bounce back, but they said no, we are going down today, so everybody is selling. Okay, so now you got another chance here. Now for the newcomers, okay, tell me, newcomers, where is your candle? Okay, if you are new, tell me which one is your, which of this candle is your trigger candle? Is it candle 1 or candle 2? If you are new, 1 or 2? Simple answer. Let me see who's going to get it right. There is a prize for that. There is a prize for that. There is a big prize. Okay. Who is going to get it right? 1 or 2? And there's a condition to that price. There's a condition to that price. 1 or 2? Number 1 or number 2? Okay, Ali, glad you got it. So, Ali, you have been promoted, yeah? Ali has been promoted, yeah, to a corporate level. Ali is on the corporate level now. You're on the corporate ladder, yeah. Great. Level hang. Yes, you are right, too. Ranks 22. Ranks 22. Are you new? Ranks 22. Are you new? Yes, you are correct. Jill, you are correct. Yvonne, you don't have to answer that, Yvonne. You are going to veteran very soon and you're answering the baby's questions, yeah? Oh my goodness. Oh gee. All right, Ali. Good. Lazy Hive. How are you, Lazy Hive? Candle 2, that's correct. Yeah, you got a fast promotion, yeah? You got a fast promo. Okay, so the answer is number 2, all right? So we know our answer is number 2, and we know our take profits, we already measured it, is 14 pips. So let's put our buy line or sell candle at the close of number 2. Remember that candle number 2, that long candle, okay? And we've measured this already. We said it was 14 pips. Let's just call it 14 pips. And let's see whether we get up to 14 pips from here or what we can muzzle. I think to the end of here, we actually muzzle 46 pips, man. 47 pips. So what do you see? Initially in the morning when you do this trade, if you're on the trade, it looks like things are not going well, right? So, oh yeah, it's going bad, it's going bad. It's going bad, but you made TP1 here. I'm probably very close to TP2. Let me check it out. We're looking at, I think it was at the close of here. How much do we say? Okay, no, you made TP1 here. You're not up to TP2. However, here, you got TP1, 2, and 3. Okay, so today, just a chart that is not looking fantastic. It doesn't look like yesterday's chart where there were just trend all over the place. So today we had some reverses. Okay, so now you got your TP1 and then you are able to bank TP1, 2, and 3 here. Fantastic. So all the new guys that are coming today, it's a good time for you to join us because you are going to see that it doesn't go straight up or straight down all the time. Sometimes it has to be in a range. Okay, good stuff. Excellent. Anybody wants to see anything else? Okay, anybody wants to see anything else? So we got, if you want to see GBP, we can do GBP as well. So GBP, let's see what GBP does today. Okay, what's the story of GBP today? All right, GBP today. Okay, so the story of GBP today is that we got tricked into one trade here. As you can see, this candle qualified, so we got tricked into a sell trade. Let me see how much you are able to garner from there before it reverses on you. You are able to garner 14 pips. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask you once more. If you are in a trade and you have plus 14 pips, are you going to allow that trade to become minus 40 pips? Or will you not be happy to exit that trade at break even? Okay, so I see someone is already 14 pips here, but they didn't take any action until they get to 0, and then they start getting to minus and they get to stop loss. So I understand if you don't have any chance to close your trade before it gets to stop loss, but if you do have chance, then you got to take that chance. So this gives you 14 pips, and you should be able to get away empty, into break even before you hit your stop loss. That means you can save a lot of trade like that. Okay. All right, Ali, you want to see euro dollar? All right, we shall check it out. Okay, ranks 22 from London. Welcome to the channel. You're my neighbor, right? Ali, you want to see euro dollar? All right, let's check euro dollar. Let's check euro dollar. Euro dollar. Let's check euro dollar. This is euro dollar. Okay. Let's look at the story of euro dollar today. That euro dollar story today is this. It's a story of two halves, okay? One half is that you got tricked into this trade here. In this instance, there's nothing you can do about it, ladies and gentlemen, because you don't have enough room to actually make 10 pips before it reverses. Let me measure. Now, it's not up to 10 pips. You only have about 6 pips. So, in this case, if you hit your stop loss here, that's good. That's okay. It's not the end of the world, because as you can see, you got another opportunity here to go long. So your initial long was stopped out, and then your second long, which is going to be from here. This is your second long here at the close of that candle. If you can't see it properly, you let me know so I can expand it. Let me just do that now. Okay, let me just do that now so you can see better. Okay, so this is the trigger candle. Okay, as you can see, this long candle is still touching the line, so that's why we didn't choose it. We never choose this candle because it's not our trigger candle. So this is our trigger candle. It's broken free from the box. Now what do you see? You need this number of pips as your TP. And how many are they? Oh, that's big too. That's 13 pips. Let's call it 13 or 14 pips. Okay, question is, do we have 14 pips from here? From here, do we have? Gee, sometimes you look at this thing, they look small, and that's 47 pips. Oh, the whole world is coming down, but you are making money. Right, yeah, but you'll make it up with your TP1, 2, and 3 if you do get to 3, but I expect you to get to 2 at least. Okay, now having gone that, see, let's see what happened again. Okay, so look at that, another chance to get into the action. Okay, so where are you getting to the action this time? Okay, so you got a candle that goes right inside the box. Although I would prefer the candle to be completely immersed in the box, but it's sufficiently big enough in the box. And then you got this candle that is not touching the line, right? That candle is not touching the line, so that is your trigger candle. So you bring your trigger candle to here, your open position to here. You buy from this line. Okay, when you buy from that line, we've said already that our TP is 14 pips. So let's see what we got from that line. 14 pips, late hour show. Now we are about 17.5 pips here. So if you enter this trade late into the hour, you're already out of TP1. And here, as we said, you're already out of TP1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the story of today with these 3 or 4 currency pairs. Okay, which one do you want to see? I definitely want to see SP500. Okay, SP500. Standard and Poor 500. SP500. SP500. It's the same thing called US 500, right? Okay, US 500. There we come. Is this today? It's great. Look at that. You can just plug in your lines here and just rake in the profit. Rake in the profit. The box is very small. Nevertheless, it didn't trick you into any trade here. As you can see, you didn't get into any trade. There's no candle that is above or that formed below, completely below the line. So the first candle that formed above the line, let's see. All right, above the line. Okay, the first candle is this candle here. You can all see that this candle is way above the line. It's not touching. There's a gap. I have 2 eyes and I have 2 pair of glasses, making 4. That would make me super what? Super cool. I can see clearly. So let me add the line. So at that point, we were going to go long at the close of that candle. At the close of this candle, we are going to go long. All right, so we went long here. I like this trade here because, you know, the stop loss is not too bad. Risk reward is not bad. If you make TP1 and TP2, you see it has cater for your stop loss in case, assuming you hit your stop loss first and then you go ahead to make more money. So it will have eradicate all your stop loss you made earlier. But fortunately, we didn't even get anywhere near our stop loss. We just took off from here right to the heavens, to the sky. All right, so let me block this out. So from here, how many do you have? How many pips? Okay, no, let's measure the box first. Have we measured the box? Let's measure the box first. Our box size is 66 pips, okay, or points. So from 66 pips, let's see what we got from here. From this line, 66 pips to the highest point. Now we got 186. So 66 times 3. So we nearly got our TP1, 2, and 3. Maybe not up to 3, maybe just 1 and 2. But is that not good enough, ladies and gentlemen? TP1 and 2 just for SP 500. Good stuff, good stuff. So anybody else? Don, you're not late. Don't worry, you joined at the right time. We started about half an hour ago, so you're just coming at the right time. Right timing. Okay. Oh, you are tricked twice. Yes, tricked twice. Sometimes it happens. All right. I need to get my plug in my battery. Okay, there we go. So you got tricked out twice. That's not good. Don't worry. What you need to do is to make your TP1 to 6 next time. TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you do that, the broker won't be happy with you, but who cares? Who cares for the broker to be happy? Not me. Not me. Okay. Robert, you want to review Nikkei. Okay. Takalani, make it 8 pairs of eye, including. All right. So you want to borrow me yours? Yeah. No. We can do online pairing. So you borrow me your eye online. My goodness. All right. So somebody wants to see Nikkei. Why do you want to see Nikkei? Tell me why. What can I do for you? Stanley, what can I do for you? All right. You're not late. Okay. Hi from Cali. Where is Cali? Karen, where is Cali? Is it California? Is it California? Because that slang, it threw me off balance. Is it Cali? Is it California now? Kobe, Nikkei has huge spread, and I don't know why people trade it. Well, if it has huge spread, but at the same time, it has a huge pips. Let's say the spread is 50, for example, and you can make 6,000 a day. It pips on it, so the spread will become insignificant. Hello, Stanley. Yes. Oh, the Telegram group. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little bit about the Telegram group. We started about 3 weeks ago, I guess. It's actually less than 3 weeks ago, and we had mistake, or you want to check it out before you go live, You post your charts, you ask for comments. Veterans and other people there, they will help you out for you. So it's a friendly area where you can share your ideas. We just make sure that we keep to the rules. We only talk about simple breakout strategy, nothing else. Okay. Good stuff. Any question? Any question? Okay, from Kenya. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, welcome, Karen. Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Karen. Yeah, okay, good. Anybody else? Anyone else? Anybody else? Anybody else need anything before we zoom here? We're not going anywhere yet. Okay, right. Who's there? So if you have not been on Telegram channel, make sure you join Telegram channel right away. Loads of people on it. I can see a lot of people just joining. I can see people joining Telegram channel. Make sure you join now. Are you going to share in the gold? If you win on a gold tonight, that'll do. If you win on a gold tonight, are you promising to share it? Yeah, are you promising to share on the gold? Okay, so let's look on the Nikkei first. Okay, let's look on the Nikkei. Somebody has said they want to see Nikkei. All right, let's see gold first, because for the gold we don't need to change the settings. So, but for the Nikkei we need to change the settings. So let's look at the gold first. So USD, I believe I can. Okay. So who can analyze this gold for us here? We have here. Here we got this line here. Okay, so we got this line here. Let's make it thick line. That's one line. Let's add the second line. Okay. So what do we do here? Anybody idea? We saw that Mr. Gold tricked us a little bit. Mr. Gold tricked us a little bit into a buy. Okay, let me zoom in so that you can see the trick Mr. Gold is playing on us today. Mr. Gold is tricking us today. He's tricking us into a trade. Did he? Yeah, he did manage to get us. Quite all right. We give that to him today. But that's just the first part of the story, because we are going to hit him hard. We're going to hit him so hard that next time he was into a trade and we actually went into a buy. Okay? We got into a buy from here, which is funny because we got into a buy and after that it started coming down. It started coming down after we got into our buy. Looks like it's going to be a bad day. Oh my goodness, it's going to be a bad day to us. This gold is not playing ball. Right. That is the part one of the story. Okay. All right. So part two of the story is that here we got into trick us into a trade. We did get into a trade, but we stopped out here. Okay. And then we managed to get into a second trade here. Okay, we get into a second trade here at the close of that candle. Okay, so we got into a second trade at the close of this candle here. Where is it? Let's take it. Let's take it. Yeah. So at the close of this candle, we got into a second trade. Okay, so this second trade, our TP for this one is the size of the boss, as all of you know already. If you don't know, let me know. There's no way, there's no need to hide away. Just say it. If you need me to explain more. I love this one. It's 30 pips. So this one is 30 pips, TP1. Okay, so we can go for TP1. And if TP2 is available, we'll take it. All right, let's see what is available to us. Okay, what is available to us in the market today is it TP1 only? 30 pips? Wow. We nearly got TP3. These things sometimes look very small, but they're heavy. Okay, so we got TP1 and 2 for sure. For sure, we are close to TP3. So let's say, okay, well, we're happy with TP1 and TP2. That's all right, isn't it? So we go home happy. But that's not the end of the story, right? So we see here again, we have a pop out here. Look at that. That's another chance for you to go long again on gold. Okay. So on gold, you got second chance here. You got second chance here. You go long on gold and you are still in your position because you are looking for 60. Let's see if you have got 60 pips before this current price that we are in. See, 60 pips. You are nearly 52. So if you have gone into this trade, you will still be live as we speak. Okay. Oh, somebody wants to see German today. But by then, let's look at Nikkei because we promised to see Nikkei. Okay, let's see Nikkei. But remember, for a Nikkei, we are going to change our timing. Instead of 9 to 10 IC market, we are going to do 2 to 3 IC market. Okay. Right. So, all right. Let me just do something. Let me enable. Okay, let me enable Asian market so you can see the two together. Okay. So this is the Asian. All right, that's the Asian box today. So for Nikkei today, we had a story of two halves. We got tricked into a sell trade, and we may have hit our stop loss, and that's the top line. Okay, so now we're looking to get how many. So here you went into a trade around here, and you are looking for how many pips? You're looking for 756. Okay, let's see what you got. I mean, you can continue to trade until you make your pips, right? So if your pips is here, you keep going. That is another advantage of Asian market. You know, you can keep going and going until you hit your TP. Your TP is 7 or TP 10. Oh my goodness. Let's see how many pips available from Asian session, especially when you get when you have opportunity of having a trend that continue throughout the sessions. Okay, who's here? Who is talking? Bolisho GN. What's that GN? GN GB. Also, whenever I change the time to my broker's time, it must change. There's no chance. If it doesn't change, what are you gonna do if it doesn't change? You call your broker and say, "Hey, Mr. Broker, what are you doing on my platform?" Or you change your broker. Yes. If it doesn't change, then change the broker. I'm joking. Or I'm joking. What you can do is you might have to reinstall your application. Reinstall your application. So I guess as small, you mean GBP New Zealand. Okay? GBP New Zealand. Where are you? GBP. GBP New Zealand. You. Where are you? GBP New Zealand. All right. So GBP New Zealand. Anybody know any characteristic of GBP New Zealand? Anybody know something specifically about GBP? What is special about it? Let me give you a query. Okay, veterans. Okay, tell me, what do you think to GBP New Zealand? I'll give you a clue. Okay, there's something called volatility in the market. There's something called average true range or average daily range. You know what I'm going at? Okay, tell me something about GBP New Zealand. Anybody? Veterans, non-vets, what's your suggestion? I mean, New Zealand here. Oh, it's good for GBP New Zealand today. It's fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. Ha, Takalani, you have been upgraded to the executive level. Okay? And now please address Takalani as Executive Takalani. because it's got its absolutely right. GBB News. Thank you so much, Takalani, Executive Takalani. Right, so let us draw our line. So we're going to draw our line here, and we're going to draw the second line here, and let's see what we got. So when we do that, now we got our trade in. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we got into this trade here. Okay, so we got into the trade at the close of that candle. Great stuff. Okay, we got to the trade at the close of that candle here. We are looking for, what are we looking for? Ladies and gentlemen, what are we looking for? Not too bad. We're looking for 36 pips. Have you noticed something? Since we started today, have you got anything in Forex that reached 37 pips for the box? I think the highest we've got so far was something like 20 and a few other ones. But these are the major bulldozers. They can bulldoze you down if you go into the trade. So sometimes if you trade mini lot 0.1 on euro dollar, but when you get to GBP New Zealand, you better reduce it to 0.05. You better reduce it, right? So, but definitely make sure you use your calculator, lot size calculator to do that. Okay, I'm sure you know where to find one. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so we got into the trade from here. Everybody knows that we got to trade. We are looking for, do we say 37 pips? Yeah, we say 37 pips. All right, now let's see if we got the 37 pips. We need to measure it. We got 37. Actually, we got 85. So, ladies and gentlemen, if we are looking for 37 and we got 85, what does that mean? Does that not mean TP1 and TP2 secured? Right? TP1, TP2 secured. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Soji. The box. Oh, good question. Okay, Soji, you are new, right? You are new. No problems. We are here for you, okay? The way we got the box drawn, we cheat the charts. We cheat the charts. What do I mean by we cheat on it? We put an indicator on it. We can do it manually, of course, but indicator help us. So we add this indicator to it. So let me quickly show you the indicator. All right. So it's called sessions. Okay. And all you need to do when you get the box is to go to Euro area, Euro begins and Euro end, depending on your broker. If your broker is Odd Forex, a lot of people use Odd Forex. You find what the GMT 7 o'clock is for Odd Forex. If your broker is FXTM or FXCM or Oanda or Pepperstone or any of those good brokers, find out what their time is for 7 GMT and then put it here. And 8 GMT, you put it here. So I've done my own research, and I'm sure a lot of guys here have done their research. Well, I know that my own broker, which is called IC Market, their own 7 GMT is 9 o'clock. It's 9 hours because they are 2 hours ahead. Okay, that's why I put 9 here and 10 there. But theoretically, it's actually 7 a.m. 8 a.m. GMT. And I put a purple color here. So actually, ideally, we are just using this one to test. You know, we are using it for checking out Nikkei. Otherwise, you shouldn't put any color for the Asian session. For Europe session, you put purple color, so we all are in sync. Okay, that's all. You can use any color you like. And for the USA session, you don't put any color. It means whatever time that you put here, it will not show anyway. Whether you put a good or bad time, it doesn't matter. It won't show because the color is nothing. Okay, it's none. So that is how we got the box. Are you happy with that? Are you happy with that? Soji, yeah, we are here for you. That's how we got this box. Okay, excellent. Thank you, Bolisho. Can it work in India stock market? Yes, it could work, but you got to be able to put the India stock market on your broker's platform. If you have India stock market that uses MT4 platform, why not? Because as you can see, we've been doing this for we've been doing it for Asian markets, Asian stock market. We have used it for American stock market. We've used it for gold, that's metals. I think yesterday we tried it on Bitcoin as well, and it looks like they are all playing balls. Okay, they are all behaving. But the caveat is that not all of them will perform on a single day. Okay, so not all of them will perform. Okay, yeah. It's a major pip buster. That's correct. Okay. Die Hard has confirmed that he works on Indian market, India stock market. Okay, good. German. Okay, you want to see German? All right, we can see German. German 30. It's like the best 30 stocks in Germany. Okay, the best 30 stocks in Germany. What did they do today? Is this today? Yeah, of course, this today. Oh wow, did you trade that? Who's asking for German? Felix, did you trade German today? Because if you did, you must be smiling to the bank now then. You must be smiling to the bank because you avoided a trick of the broker. Okay? The broker and the institutional traders trying to trick you here, where you escaped it, but you get a great price. Let me tell you the great price you got. Here you got a great price here. Let me tell you where you enter from. You enter from here at the close of that bearish candle. That's a great price, isn't it? You don't have to pay too much. Then your stop loss is great as well. Your stop loss is great as well. So you enter at the close of this bearish candle. Your stop loss is down here. And your take profit, hey, let's go to the bank. Let's go to the bank. All right, so from here to here, we got 60, let's call it 65, though it says 655. Just for us to keep some sanity, okay? To keep some sanity, let's call it 65. It's easier to count 65 than 655. Okay, so let's keep some sanity 65. All right, so from here, how many pips do we have? Okay, from here to here, I'll cut the two number off. So here we got 155 instead of calling 1,555. So 155. But remember, we are only looking for 65, and we got 155. So that's TP1, TP2, game over. Game over. You're going home. But it's not game over yet, ladies and gentlemen. There's still more money on the market for you if you want it. You don't have to take it. It's not compulsory you take it, but if you want it, they said, okay, you can come back for more. All right, let me zoom in. They said, look, you don't have to run home. See, we gone back into the box again, a little bit into the box again, and then we give you another chance here to come in again and buy. Okay, that's, you have this resistance level as held. I keep telling everybody that that care to hear me that these lines are so important for the day. Look at how it's performed here as a powerful support line. Okay, that's a powerful support line, but we don't know that it's going to be a support line when we draw it. So what we are concluding is that this hour that we have just done, we are not the only one watching those hours, ladies and gentlemen. Some other people are watching that hours. Maybe institutional traders are watching it. So it becomes very powerful here as our support level. So we got TP1, TP2. Here we go again, looking for 65 pips. Okay, so looking for 65 pips. What did we end up getting? 65 or no 65. Then we got 125. So we are not quite at 2 TP2 yet, but we were very close. So we got TP1 and 2 here. We already banked TP1. We're waiting for TP2 to close here. Great stuff. Excellent. Oh, Jill, you know what? I am going to do UK 100 today, because if I don't do it, my Prime Minister Boris Johnson will come and tell me that I'm promoting other countries and I'm not promoting England. So sorry, we're going England. Whether you like it or not, ladies and gentlemen, we're going UK 100. We're going UK 100. Jill, I support you. Yeah, you got my vote. Jill, you got my vote. In fact, I won't give you any title except you want to depose the Queen. You want to depose the Queen of England, but you don't want to do that, right? So let's satisfy our own economy here. Let us promote UK economy. I want to promote them, but they don't want to promote themselves. What irony is that? You know? I hope this is not. Oh yeah, this is not today. All right. Now, okay, I forgive him today. Even it's not bad. It's not bad actually. No, it's not bad. Okay, as we say, like we said before, let me show you something now. As we said before, are you noticing something here? Look at that line. It's almost serving as a support again here. Let's see the other line here. Okay, they broke it here. But they found a support right round about here. See, the same thing happened earlier in the morning. It couldn't break that support level. Okay. And this one also became a support level earlier in the day. So UK, what happened to UK? So UK, we have a trade at the close of this second candle. Right. Let me zoom in. Because it's the UK, I got to do justice for it. Okay. I don't want anyone to accuse us of not paying attention to UK economy. So we are paying full attention to UK economy. Okay, so now from here we go long, okay? And we're looking for the size of this box as our TP1. So size of this box as our TP1, size of this box. Jeez, that's 205. 205 points. Okay, now how many did we get? 205 points. Did we get up to 1,000? In fact, it went up to there. Which one is higher, this or that? 471. What about this? 470. Let's see. I don't know. 483. Okay, so this is higher. So I rather come out from here than follow this market to that point. So 483 versus what we were looking for. We're looking for what? 200. Okay, we're looking for 200 pips and we got 400 and something. So TP1, TP2 secured. Hello, what's up? Great stuff. So it works. Anybody want to see anything else? Shop is about to close. So let me tell you again, if you have not joined Telegram channel, you go and join right now, because you are going to learn a lot from it. We can only do 1 hour session here. In Telegram channel is 24/7. If you join right now as we speak, you are going to meet at least close to 400 people there. If it's not 400 already, you meet a lot of people who are going to help you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, any other question before we declare the shop close? Oh, the name of the indicator is sessions. It's called sessions. Okay, I won't go into it. I just want to show you the name. Okay, sessions. Okay, but if you go on the Telegram channel, the indicator is there. So go on the Telegram channel and get the indicator. Okay, it's there. When you get to Telegram channel, just click Files, and under Files, look for sessions.mq4. Okay. Oh, 400 already. Great. I haven't checked. So we hit 400 already. That's great. Fantastic. So can you imagine when you have the power of 400 people and they're all looking at the same charts? You know what that can do? They say people lose in Forex, but I believe this group are the winning group. Okay. So don't waste your time. Join the winning group. Okay. And everything we do here, we do it with open mind. All right. So if you have idea, come up with it. So we limit it to SBS for now. But you know what? I'm going to come up with another good strategy that is so simple that anyone can learn. Okay. I will bring that very soon. If you go to my YouTube channel, you know I have quite a lot of strategies that work. You can listen to the testimonies people give there. Some people, multiply their account size by nine times using my strategies. 900%. So I'm going to cook something nice, something from a nice kitchen with the help of a chef. I need some chef. Who's going to volunteer as a chef here? Who's a chef? Who's my chef? I need some chef who can cook very well. I'm talking of cooking Forex, okay? If you think you can be a chef, okay, you know what I mean? That is, you are good in Forex. You're good in terms of trading. You're good in education. You're good in blogging or whatever for Forex. PM me. PM me. Let's see where we can chat. Because I want to promote some of you here. All right. Good. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay. You just send it in the Telegram group. What did you? Okay. Excellent. Thank you for Demi. Demi is one of the veterans. Okay, actually senior veterans. Okay. Senior veteran. Okay, we have a lot of veterans. Not many. How many veterans do we have? 3 veterans. Okay. But Demi is a super one. Okay. We know Flanders is one. And Temi is one. Who else? We have few people. Okay. Okay, Takalani, you are here. All right. Okay, no worries. I see you, Takalani. Great stuff. Okay. So if there's no more questions, I'm sure you have all joined the Telegram channel. Make sure you go and join, and you are free